landfill collapses, kills 1 and leaves at least 27 missing in January 9, 2026 in Cebu City. We have Miss Julia Britton at the scene. Miss Julia?
Thank you, Evan. We are currently here at Cebu at the site of this tragic. We are currently here in Cebu City at the site of a tragic landfill collapse, bringing you the latest updates. A section of the landfill collapse resulting in multiple fatalities. Authorities have ramped up search and rescue operations as the number of confirmed deaths continues to rise. The city government has declared a state of calamity, allowing disaster funds to be used immediately for rescue, medical aid, and support for affected families. Various agencies are coordinating to ensure public safety while recovery efforts continue. At this time, we will be speaking with a local resident who has a loved one that has gone missing during the disaster. Could you please tell us what happened to you during the incident?
Nagbalita ko kung wala tumambag. Kaya kanang gadit pero gawa sa opisina.
Then, suddenly, the crushed glass finished fell, and until now, my older brother is still missing. And my only prayer is that he will be found, even if it's just the body left.
This has been our part of this. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Julia. Again, this is the News People's Association. Thank you very much. Okay, let's give her a blessing. Kung minutes na natin